Eli. Eli, let's show Aunt Monica what we're doing right now. Eli's chewing on his finger. That's his thing that he does. We don't know why. He's got his little toys here. Eli, look. Eli. You're on a mission, aren't you? Show Aunt Monica your moves. Show her your moves. Eli. Oh, somebody's tired. Somebody's tired. Somebody's had a long day. There we go. The legs are up.